The Photo Gallery mode allows you to view saved snapshots. You may also access it with IrisVision Assistant by double-tapping the touchpad. After you hear a beep, say, Photo Gallery. Photo Gallery. The highlighted picture will be the one you can enlarge. To change the highlighted picture, you can swipe left, right, up, or down. Tap the touchpad to select the highlighted picture and view it full screen. To increase the size of the photo, swipe right or up. To decrease the size of the photo, swipe left or down. When the photo is enlarged, you can pan within it by moving your head left, right, up, and down. To return to the photo gallery, press the Mode button once. To delete a photo, select it in the gallery and open it by tapping the touchpad once. After the photo opens, press down on the touchpad for 3 seconds. A prompt will appear. To delete the photo, swipe up. To keep the photo and return to the gallery, swipe down. To exit out of Photo Gallery, press Mode once.